How to use or how to redeem your Roblox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Roblox gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to redeem your Roblox gift card, what you can do is you can simply head into your browser on your device, any browser, any device you want, and on the search bar you want to type in roblox.com. Sorry, the spelling is mistake, so make sure to type it correctly. Roblox.com/redeem. You wanna head into this page, you wanna type it and you wanna tap on go or search it, and you'll be headed to this page where it'll ask you to first log into your account. Make sure you're logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, enter in your gift card code number there and then tap on redeem, and the card will be redeemed to your account. So this way you can easily redeem your Roblox gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.